Welcome, little artists. Get your pencil, your eraser, and your favorite colors ready. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's begin our fun drawing adventure. Follow along slowly, and remember, every drawing is special because it is made by you. A bright white square is waiting like a tiny stage. Nothing is drawn yet, but the page feels excited. It whispers, "Come closer, little artist." A sweet surprise is about to appear, one simple line at a time.
Yes!
A big, round oval pops onto the page, soft and smooth, like a fluffy cookie. "Boing," says the oval. It wiggles proudly, because it knows it will soon become the friendly face of a very cute kitty. Two tiny ears peek out, and a pretty bow lands near the top like a cheerful butterfly. The kitty shape begins to smile in secret. "Oh, my whiskers," the page giggles. "This little friend is getting fancy."
Wow!
Little eyes, a tiny nose, and whiskers arrive with a tickle, tickle, tickle. The kitty now looks awake and curious. She seems to ask, "What are we drawing today?" Her bow sits proudly, ready for fun. The face becomes clearer and sweeter, with bold lines that make every detail easy to see. The kitty looks calm, kind, and a little silly too, as if she might sneeze from her own whiskers. Achoo hoo hoo.
Yay!
A small body appears under the head, like the kitty is popping up from behind a table. Her little neck and sides are drawn carefully. She sits tall and patient, waiting for something yummy to join the picture.
Wow!
Suddenly, a giant strawberry treat appears in her paws. "Whoa," says the kitty, hugging it gently. The berry is almost as big as she is, and that makes the moment extra funny, extra cute, and extra delicious looking.
Okay.
More shapes are added around the treat, and the kitty holds it even better. Her paws curl around the strawberry like she is protecting a treasure. "Mine for snack time," she seems to say with a tiny, cheerful bounce.
Wow!
A little dress shape appears below her face, neat and simple. The kitty is not just a face anymore. She is becoming a full character. She looks ready to sit, pose, and enjoy her sweet strawberry adventure. Round feet, tiny arms, and a sitting pose are added. Now the kitty looks cozy and complete. Her little feet rest forward like soft buttons. She patiently waits while the artist prepares the next tasty details. The strawberry gets decorated with a wavy frosting line and little seed dots. The kitty stares at it with quiet wonder. Is it a strawberry? Is it dessert? Is it both? The answer is yes, yes, and yum.
Okay.
Color finally dances onto the drawing. The bow turns bright and cheerful, and the tiny nose glows like a little drop of sunshine. The kitty looks extra proud now, as if saying, "My bow is ready for the party." The strawberry begins to shine with color too. Red fruit, green leaves, and chocolatey sweetness make it look wonderfully tasty. The kitty hugs it close, smiling with her eyes, while the page almost smells like dessert.
Yay!
The drawing pauses in clean black and white again, showing all the wonderful lines. Every curve, paw, whisker, bow, and berry detail is easy to follow. It is like a coloring book moment saying, "Your turn to color me."
Yay!
day!
The same sweet kitty sits still with her big strawberry treat, waiting for the final burst of color. She looks patient, gentle, and a little hungry. Her whiskers seem to wiggle as she dreams about one teeny tiny bite. Ta-da! The kitty is fully colored, bright, and joyful. Her red bow, pink outfit, yellow nose, green leaves, red berry, and chocolate dip all shine together. She gives the biggest happy hug to her strawberry treat and says, "Sweet day."